we're gonna make the tier list about what is the best legendary Pokemon. So, first, we're gonna put Old Boy Mewtwo. It's my favorite legendary. So, and this list is not based on how powerful they are. This list is just based on what I love and what are my top favorite legendary Pokemon. So only one version per Pokemon per legendary. So this don't be so complicated, too complicated. And I love this very much, but it's not the best. So there it goes. And like which, yes, one of my favorite legendaries, but Mewtwo is always the number one. This not so interesting at all. And Lucia, same thing. A little bit more interesting is the bird one. And oh, these guys. Oh, we gonna put them pretty good. I say they are better than Cloudon. So both of them in there. And then the Sun and Moon ones. But this one I don't remember his name, but this one but in the A tier they are not so best, so both of them they are just the evolution from, so I got them. And then this is one of the different, so they are better than that. So with this like that. Then Thanatos, very interesting Pokemon. You're gonna put it in the after the after the wolves. He is like more powerful, but I think that the wolves are better because they are so different. Like he is just a basic Dynamax Pokemon. And then we're gonna put the Valkia. They are pretty good, but not the best. So I think they go. Wait, yes, 8 years top ones. And then he goes after that. Cloudon and yes, there we go. We got this. So this represents all because all of the forms because it's the most powerful. So based on the most powerful form in this case, so then it goes and by the look I mean, it's not the most powerful, and it goes in the 80th first. Yes, 80th first. Sorry wolves, but you are not better. Then we got this guy. Pretty basic and not so interesting after the big blue guys. The same can, and these not so amazing. Both of them, all of these, because they are different ones, kind of, so they go to the detail. This is the most lovable of them all. And then this is pretty good. I love this. I love the type of this and the things that it can say to between ones. So it goes to the S tier that then. And yes, we got still these left. Oh, these are different. So they are based on they alone. They are not so interesting. But the black one goes first, and then I like these ones, but they are okay. So let's put them last in this place. And I think this is one of the more interesting than the Uertam. And What is